In this video, you'll learn how to fix Notion not loading. This guide provides a step-by-step process to troubleshoot and resolve loading issues within the Notion application. By following these instructions, you will be able to get Notion functioning smoothly once again. Start by opening the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Ensure that you are using the latest version of Chrome for optimal performance. If you are unsure about your browser version, you can check for updates in the settings. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. This is the menu icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu containing various options for browser customization. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings. This will redirect you to the Settings page where you can manage different aspects of your browser, including privacy and security settings. Once on the Settings page, look for the section titled Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Click on this section to access options related to your browsing data and security settings. After that, find and click on the option called Clear Browsing Data within the Privacy and Security section. This will open a new dialog box that allows you to choose what data you want to delete from your browser. In the dialog box, you will see a drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Click on this menu to select a time period for which you want to delete your browsing data. For resolving loading issues, choosing last hour is often sufficient. Next, ensure that cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. These options are crucial for clearing data that may be causing Notion to malfunction. Make sure these boxes are checked before proceeding. After confirming your selections, click on the button labeled Clear Data. This action will initiate the deletion process, and you may see a brief loading indicator as your browser clears the selected data. Once the data has been cleared, open a new tab in Chrome. You can do this by clicking the plus sign next to your current tab or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. In the new tab, type in the address quote notion.so quote and press enter. This will take you to the Notion homepage. Once the page loads, check if the application is functioning correctly. If the issue persists, consider checking your internet connection or restarting your device. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.